Hey guys, welcome to another edition of our Quick Tip Tuesdays. My name is David Brailsford. I'm one of the finance specialists here at Everett Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac in Hickory, North Carolina. I want to take a few seconds to talk about warranty and ways to protect your automobile. There are many ways to do it, whether you do it in your financing, but also you can do it as a Touchpoint. Touchpoint is our option where outside the financing, you can actually purchase protection for your vehicle, whether it be for your mechanical components or for the electronics in your vehicle as well. Touchpoint is very easy, very affordable, and it is interest-free, where you can even finance it for up to 24 months at 0%. This is a great way to make sure that you protect yourself from any unexpected costs on your vehicle and make sure you have great protection for your ride. Please, if you're interested in any of our protective services, give us a call and come check us out here at Everett Chevrolet here in Hickory, North Carolina.